I studied in SIT under Royal Thai Government Scholarship Scheme. So the department engaged in Thailand chose SIT for me. Then I also contact my senior who was studying in electrical engineering, and I found that this program is really good, and SIT is one of the best institutions in Thailand. There were many foreign students studying together with me, and all of the faculty members, they speak good English, they communicate well in English. SIT, they have a very strong and skilled faculty members, their publications, their research skills, and the collaboration and partnership with top universities and international institutions abroad. Student exchange programs, especially to Europe, Australia, and America, enable them to provide a real international culture in SIT. I got the best academic experience and also good awareness on real life engineering situations. I learned the things the hard way first. Before coming to SIT, I've been working in the civil works for a number of years, but with my graduation and further my education in construction engineering management, I was more confident in my job. I work in the largest public company in the Maldives doing construction. I was handling 10 to 15 projects in parallel. When I quit from this job, I was the director of the company. So this all came from my knowledge and experience from SIT as well. When I come to Thailand to study at SIT, it was my first trip to Thailand. But I didn't find difficult to adapt to Thai culture, Thai environment, and to study at SIT. The people are very friendly. They are very nice, and even though I stay a little away from the university, the transportation was good. The location is excellent to travel from here and to the downtown to any place. The food was great, and I can't miss Thai food now anymore. We have all the facilities around SIT. If you want to buy the books, there's a good bookstore. The library was great, and also you get access to close by other university libraries. Well, SIT also have great facilities if you are in sports or if you are into extracurricular activities. They have football field, gymnasium, swimming pool, and everything around there. My success, if I have any, is because I graduate from SIT. I would say if you want to success in your field or in your life, go to study in SIT. Go to SIT, feel home while you study. You can't compare Thai hospitality with anywhere around the world. It's the best.